Wipe my shit clean.
Wipe my shit, bitch.
Yeah.
Yes, sir,
oh, that almost failed. Hell.
almost failed.
Again. Wait, you can't show the plates. I gotta load these up. Oh. Hey, y'all ready for that thumbnail or what?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Hey, you guys got hill problems. I got no back.
Oh, damn, we're doing all the windows? I just wanted one. The one that's most important.
We can do these two sides.
Your driver window is pretty important too.
I mean, like, dude, I can't see because I have 5%.
You're right.
No. Quote unquote 5%.
Yeah.
5%. You know, for legal reasons. Wait, what do? Dude,
I'm bored, dog.
Hey, dude. Hey, bro, did you get hit? Or was this always like
oh,
this?
shoot, did yeah, some homeless guy hit his car.
Bro.
Oh, you have to tell you about the event? Oh, yeah, some homeless dude came up and kicked me.
Damn.
Dumbass. Oh, hi.
Wait.
Oh, bye.
You guys want to say hi?
Hello. Hi.
Wait, babe. I'm gonna put you on speaker, okay? Hold on.
Oh, okay. Hi. Me.
Ooh, a head gasket?
There goes all the water.
That's water?
Hey, you can kind of hear the turbo.
Yeah, because the mufflers are gone.
That means you got water in your
You hear
engine.
a lot more. I don't know. Have you heard it?
Oh! Alright.
Finally! This is Brazil.
Mama, what?
Yes.
Here, cue the commercial.
All right. Chia.
God no! Oh! Oh shit! Go get him, Christian! Go get him! Go get him! Get his ass! Hey, let me take off! Who wants to do the honors and rev my car for YouTube real quick? I never.
No!
Whoa!
I just wanted
Hey! Okay. Hey.
You got a blinker! Oh.
Wait, turn off the lights. Pull the dildo. Whenever you're ready, Papi. The cooling hose.
No, do it again.
Do it again.
That shit is fucking nasty.
Oh, that sounds nasty. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. Hey, let me check to see if I didn't pop any coolant hoses. Ah! Ah! Do the flick! Do the headlights! Do the headlights! Whee!
What's up?
What's up, baby? Hey, park up in the handicap.
What's that?
What's what?
What's that?
It's back.
What?
I mean,
I'm gonna smack you.
no, I didn't do anything. Hey, if it was a night for the boys, I can bring it clapped out. Hey, can I ride on the back in the trunk?
No, it's
Why not?
carbon.
Why not?
Carbon, dude. You're gonna break it.
Okay, can you roll this window down and I just put like my crotch between this?
Hell no.
Why not?
Trying to get all up on me like that? Take me out of dinner first.
All right, tonight. Hey, Hector, look, it's clapped out.
You can
But-
still bring it to the meat.
And no, I can't bring it to the meat. I can't bring it to any meats.
What?
My car, because it's clapped out.
No, it's not.
It's just dirty.
No, because I don't have the rear canards. Bruh, you have a turbo. Your shit goes do. My shit go into dirt walls. That's what it does. All right, you know something? Let's see for you two, Paul. Let's get it. Oh, light work.
Pay attention. All right.
All right, everybody
back
in class.
2009.
No, he's the teacher.
I said shut
Bitch,
up. I'm
shut
not.
up with you.
God.
What the f was that?
What the f
Yo, that was hella fast, bro.
Teacher.
What?
Today we're gonna teach you about the.
You dumbass.
Listen.
We gonna teach.
Albert Einstein. Hello, how you doing?
Hey, you like where I'm
Hey, yo! He's one shot out. Wait, what the f? It's a
Talking to the
bird.
birds.
Chris, you're gonna see this shit, and you think to yourself, what the f is he doing with my GoPro? I'm showing you life at the party.
Water wells, wildlife, concrete.
Essential items in human environment that would keep us alive today. I'm yours truly, Raj Naganda with Discovery Channel. Here today we have this structural integrity building slash, facility, industrial place. We have a fat ass right here. His name is Hector. Let's see. We continue on.
I have the fatter ass.
Correct. Hey. Slow the f down. Is this recorded?
It's recording.
Okay.
It's recording.
That, my guys, is a V6 Mustang.
Give me a little rev, come on.